Hello all. So this is my another video where we are going to talk about understanding the Azure security offerings, where the Azure firewalls versus WAF, WAF versus application gateway. So now if we are going to dig down in details, what is going to happen here is um, Azure is going to offer a comprehensive suite of security services, which is designed to protect data, applications, identities, and infrastructure into the cloud. These services encompass various aspects of the security, including network security, identity, and access management, threat protection, and compliances. Some key features security service include Azure Firewall. Azure Firewall is going to be a cloud-based network security which this service provides centralized network security management and monitoring for Azure virtual network resources. Azure Active Directory, again, Azure AD so-called, a cloud-based security, identity and access management services that enable secure access to applications and resources from anywhere on any device. Azure Security Center, a unified security management system that provides advanced threat protection across hybrid cloud workloads, including virtual machines, containers, and Azure Kubernetes services. Azure Sentinel, a cloud native security information and event management, which is also called SIEM, that the service use AI to detect and respond to threats across hybrid cloud environments. Azure DDoS protection, we have a service that protects Azure application from distributed denial of service DDoS attack by automatically mitigating threats in real time. Azure Key Vaults, a cloud service for securely storing and managing sensitive information such as encryption keys, secrets, and certificates. And now we have Azure Information Protection, a service that helps organizations classify, label, and protect sensitive data based on policies and rules. Now, if you see here, now the there are if you select the right security, let's say you are in a process of doing the solutioning, so you have to select the right security solution, which is very crucial for organizations to effectively mitigate risk, protect data, and comply with regulatory requirements. Here is why it is very important. First, the customized protection. Different security solutions offer unique features and capabilities tailored to specific security requirements and use cases. By selecting the right solutions, organization can implement customized protection measures to address their specific security needs. Optimize resource utilization. Choosing the appropriate security solution help optimize resource utilization by avoiding unnecessary overhead and ensuring that security measures align with the organization's security infrastructure and workload requirements. Compliance and regulatory requirements. Many industries have a specific compliance and regulatory requirements for data protection and security. Selecting the right security solution ensures that organizations remain compliant with the relevant regulations and standards. Cost effectiveness. Investing in the right security solution can lead to cost saving by preventing security breaches, minimizing downtime, and reducing the potential impact of security incidents on business operations. Scalability and flexibility. And organizations grow and evolve, their security needs may change. Selecting a scalable and flexible security solutions enables organizations to adapt to changing requirements and scale their security measures accordingly. In summary, if you see selecting the right security solutions based on specific use cases and requirements is essential for organizations to effectively protect their asset, mitigating risk, and maintaining the compliance in today's dynamic threat landscape. Now, basically, when we talk about the Azure Firewall, what exactly the Azure Firewall is? Azure Firewall is a cloud-based network security service that provides protection to Azure virtual network resources. It operates at the network layer, layer 3 to layer 4, and offer Features like network filtering, application rules, and integration with threat intelligence feeds. Azure Firewall is best suited for securing virtual networks, filtering outbound traffic, and controlling access to resources. Web Application Firewall, WAF. WAF focuses on protecting web application from common web-based attacks such as SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and distributed denial of services. Azure WAF is a layer 7 firewall that inspects HTTP and HTTPS traffic. It offers features like OWASP rule sets, custom rules, bot protections, and integration with Azure services like Azure App Service and Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. Azure WAF is ideal for protecting web application hosted on Azure from web-based threats. Application Gateway. Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer with built-in security features designed to optimize web application delivery. It operates at the application layer, layer 7, and provides features like SSL terminations, URL-based routing, cookies-based session affinity, and web application firewalling. Application Gateway is suitable for scenario requiring SSL offloading, HTTP 2 support, HTTP and HTTPS support, and advanced routing capabilities for web applications. Now, comparing features and use cases, each of these services, like Azure Firewall, WAF, or Applications Gateway, offers unique features and use cases. Azure Firewall is focused on network security, and it is very suitable for securing virtual networks and controlling outbound traffic. Whereas your WAF is specialized in protecting web applications from common web-based attacks and is ideal for securing web applications hosted on Azure. Now, Application Gateway is purely designed for optimizing web application delivery and provides features like SSL terminations, URL-based routing, and web application firewalling. Now, integration and compatibility. All three services can be integrated with other Azure services and third-party solutions to enhance security capabilities. They can be deployed alongside Azure Security Center and Azure DDoS protection for comprehensive security coverage. Best practices and recommendation. Whenever it comes as a best practice, the optimization and configuration deployment of these services is essential for maximizing security effectiveness. Implementing security best practices and regularly monitoring and managing these services ensures a resilient and secure architecture. Maximizing security effectiveness. Proper configuration ensures that security services are set up to effectively mitigate threats and vulnerabilities. This includes defining appropriate firewall rules, configuring access controls, enabling threat detections, and the threat detection mechanism, and implementing encryption where necessary. By optimizing configurations and their settings, organizations can ensure that their security measures are aligned with their specific security requirements and provide maximum protection against potential threats. Now, implementing security best practices also can be deep down. And the very similar fashion, we can go for the regular monitoring and management as well. In conclusion, understanding the difference between Azure Firewall, WAF, and Application Gateway enables organizations to make informed decisions based on their specific security requirements and use cases. You will be having the decisive action where to implement the Azure Firewall versus WAF and versus Application Gateway. Ongoing monitoring, management, and optimization of these services are essentials to ensure effective security in Azure environment. That's all. See you in next video. Thank you so much.